Hey guys, this is Simple Graphics. So in this tutorial I'm going to teach you how to design this logo. So it's been a while I created designs, but I think I found out that so many people are doing designs online, especially flyer design. So I think I'll be focusing on logo design most time, but I also do flower design. So this tutorial I want to show you guys how to do this logo on Pixellab. So I saw it on Pinterest and I decided to work on it so that you guys can learn too. So I'm going to open just the logo I did here. So I'll select that. So this is the icon. So there are different type of logo. I think maybe I'll talk about that later, or maybe in my premium class. So I'll be bringing out a premium class very soon, and interested people that want to learn flyer design, logo design, those are the people it's going to be open for. So if you're interested, you're going to watch out for the tutorial classes. It's not going to be free, that's just it. So if you want free designs, free tutorials, you get it here on YouTube, but the premium class is going to be paid for. Understand? It's going to be something that is affordable and also impactful. So in this design, I think we'll go straight to design. So I want to start with the icon, then put the right of later. So what I'll do first of all is to put a shape, a circle, and then I'll come to this settings here, reduce the opacity, increase the stroke to the ending, and then reduce it. And I just want to get a this side. Okay, so what I'll do again is to change it to white. Okay, let me leave it black first of all, and then I will duplicate it and then take it back to the place. Now this the stroke can actually be bigger than this, so that's why I want to merge two strokes together. So this is it. Okay, I will reduce this. So this is it, and I think let me work on it a little. Okay, so this is it. So what I will do now is to merge these two. Click on this place and mark these two, and then click on this icon, and then click on the merge, the middle one, so it will merge both together. So what I will do again is to duplicate this layer. This one I merge is the same size I'm going to use for this down side. So now how do we cut these things out? So what I'll do is this. I'm going to put a shape like this, and what I'm going to do is to combine, is to merge I want to merge these two together. So this down one I put there, I'm going to merge this and this together, and then merge it. So I'll go to erase color. I'll on it, and automatically the white goes out. So I'll okay it and then lock it. Excuse me. So I'm going to hide this first of all. Let me hide this so I can work on the square. So I'm just going to put a square shape here and something like this. Go back. I don't like that square. I don't want to temper. I don't want the square to be distorted. So what I will do is this. Okay, so I've gotten it. I'll move it up a little. So another thing I will do is to lock this, and then for the circle, now you saw that the circle is cut, so I'm just going to add another stroke and then put it here so I can cut it out. I want to cut the other shape out, so just put it here and okay. So I'm going to on the on eye of the 4, which is this. So I will merge the two together, this and this, and then I'll merge and then go to my erase color, and on it the white automatically goes out. So that is practically how I got that. So what I'm seeing here, I think this up is not okay, like this place. Let me zoom in. You see this place, it's like it's cut out. So I'm going to go back and go back again. So what I'm going to do is to click on this. Now let me remove the zoom. Click on this shape and adjust the little by taking it up a little, so it will be the same line with the rectangle, the small rectangle. So I'm going to merge it now and open up my erase color, and the white goes out. So that is it. So what I can do again here is I want to pick the colors on this design. So the first one is I want to hide this one. Let me hide this, and practically we've gotten our shape. So the first color there is I want to start with the background. I want to pick the background color from this one. So this is the background we are using, and so the other one is for this shape. That's the up shape, the circle that is cut agonizing. So I will change the color, and I will pick the color from the one that has been existing, which is white. So white color, and then this box. So this box color, I'm going to pick it from this one, which is this, and okay. So I think this box is not getting to the place it's supposed to be, so I'm going to increase it a little. It's locked, so I'm going to unlock it and increase a little. So I'm going to take it up, so it will join up with that edge. Okay, looking still big. One looking too small. So what I would do is I want to zoom it so I can see what I'm doing. Okay. So this join with this. So we can work with this. So we'll zoom out. So I'll change this color for this black, this down one. So the same color of the small square, and ta-da-da, we've gotten our logo. So what I will do now, first of all, I'm going to save this. I'm going to screenshot, and then I'll save, first of all, save as logo icon 1. So what I can do again is to merge everything together, which is 1, 2, 3. So that's it. Of them together. Okay. So I made them so I can actually reduce and increase. So what I can do now is to add the text. Let me check the name. Geotech. Okay. Geotech. Okay, think small letter, so everything goes down to small letter. So this is it. So what I will do first of all is to align my logo to this, and it's there. So this font, I'm going to use gear. So I'm using okay, regular. Then the first one is the geo is I think it's for bold. No, geo, just geo. So let me go back. Regular, and just the geo is extra gold. So I think practically this is it. So what I can do again, I think that was the font that was used. So for the color, I'll go to the text and then highlight only the text and use this color I used before. So let me hide this. So this is our own. So practically you've learned how to create logo design with your smartphone. So I'll save this as main logo one. So I'll practically screenshot this. I'll screenshot this and then screenshot this. So if you have watched to this extent, please do it to subscribe, like and share. Thank you very much. I'll see you guys in the next video.